Welcome to Southwest University of China. We're a tight knit community who support and learn from each other. SWU is best known for its academic excellence and outstanding student to faculty relationship. It is a home away from home for all international students. Our uniqueness is great diversity in culture. Commitment to each other and true friendship is our keyword. That is why many students are excited, just like Cynthia, and also very supportive, just like Kiki. Hey, Kiki, my love. Hi.
Franca's YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is not love you guys.
Love you too. Bye. Yeah, so it is the International Student Cultural Festival. As school tradition demands, national flags are displayed to represent each student's country. Tents are decorated with cultural attires. Food for exhibition are also kept in these tents. Just a quick flashback on preparation for this day before we proceed.
Hi guys, you're welcome to Afrobeat practice. This is Afrobeat and we're killing it.
Killing one.
Yeah, we're killing
Okay, guys.
it. Okay, so you stay tuned and watch the International Student Cultural Festival coming live on Official Franca.
I no go dey inside.
Here, right?
Yes, sir.
Then when you start wape, you guys are moving. Then here, somewhere here, you stop. Then when they will say, like here. Okay, take your
This is how fun and how strenuous preparing for this festival is. Keep rolling, let's go to food section. Looks really nice. What is this? What is it called?
It is Eritrean tradition.
Oh, Eritrean traditional food? It's called what? Hambasha. Did I pronounce it well?
Yeah.
Wow. Welcome back to Dio Day. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the program in their sequential order. The school choir singing in harmony and in one accord.
All I need is your love. Give me sweet.
The school music band, a group of talented instrumentalists playing music in a specialized way. This is called the Chinese Dragon Dance. It is a very important part of this festival as it demonstrates the history between dragons and the Chinese ancestors.
Otimbi na timbilio. Wasafi. Dizo. Odele mino na kwe. Osali lolo kode. Otokino kutude. Na pete kaka bongo yobe bapesa ya. Wape, wape, wape. Nasema wape, 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 wape. Sasa wape. Sometaka wape. Conversion wape. Baufinel Stephanie na Pullman.
Afro Vibe has been one of the best performances during the International Students Festival. Igbo Amaka. This is a Nigerian dance performed by Easterners called Ndibo. It is best known for its rhythm, which is made only of traditional instruments. Up next is our after stage activities. Please have fun.
Hey!